Good day. My name is Nadine Thomas. I am a tutor here, and I would like to help you with this question that's asking about the goal of mass. And so, the first thing that you should do when you get a question like this is to look for the question or what really did they ask you for, because they're asking about the mass used in this equation. And then look for the information that you were given, because you're given some information on specific heat capacity, temperature change, heat transfer, and then that should give you a pinpoint like which equation you should use. And so right there, that's when you should see that you should use Q equal M times C times delta T. And so my way to remember this equation is Q equal MCAT, because we know about this mighty examination MCAT. So that's just a way to memorize it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is focus on water, like how much heat transfer or how much the water gain when it comes to heat transfer. So since we're going to focus on that now, we're going to put the Q equal water. Q water actually equal the M water times C water times the delta change. And so we plug in the information specifically for the water, the 120 mass, the 4.18, and then we do the temperature, the change in temperature. And that's when we get 1254 joules. Another trick when you get these questions is that you should focus on the units. Like when you have a gram on top times a gram on bottom, and then they cancel out, and then you end up like with joules. Like focus on the units, because they should like give you a hint, like, is my question correct, is my answer correct, or am I going in the right direction? So that's just a way or a hint to like help you, is to focus on the units, just in case you think that you have your formula wrong or you're not doing it correctly. Now, like we said, we already got the heat transfer with the water. So what next we should focus on? A great way to continue is to focus on the transfer with the gold. Now we'd write the equation just like the Q equal MCAT, but this terms we focus on gold, but we put the information specifically for the gold. Now with the gold, I just write M gold throughout my equation, as you can see right here and here and here. And that is because I do not know the mass of the gold yet, and that's what they ask you for. Now, I put the specific heat capacity, and then I also put the temperature change, because those are like important. And so my final answer would be the heat change of the gold, or the heat loss, is equal to the mass of the gold, and then it's times the 4.46, which we just calculated right here. Now, one trick or one important thing you need to know is that the gain of the transfer with the heat loss is always equal to heat gain. So what's lost by gold is gained by water. And so that means that the 1254 that we just calculated, it was gained by water, mean that that was the same amount that was lost by gold. And so this transfer is very important, because M gold times that 4.46 that I just put upwards there would equal to that same 1254 joules. Now, since we already know that, then this just simple, just rearrange our equation. By this become the denominator, this will come on top, and then we do our maths and we get 281.2 grams, and that would be the mass of the gold that was used, like the question asked for. I hope you understand. And then if you have any further questions or are interested in using me as a tutor, I'm Nadine Thomas, Nadine.Thomas.1 on Wyzant. And so feel free to contact me. Feel free to ask me any further questions. Thank you.